Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Tomos Uni Clothes Storage Bags. You can get this product on Amazon for about $26. Check out the link in the description. The package comes with 6 storage bags. Every bag has a pretty good size, 2 handles and a zipper, and a clear window in the front. They have a pretty large capacity, so you can use them to store most of your stuff, like clothes, pillows, bedding, and more. I use the storage bags to clean up my closet and store my clothes a little bit more dust-proof, and I'm pretty happy with the result. The storage bags have a tag pocket and they come with a bunch of cards which you can use to specify the content of a storage bag. So if you are looking for large capacity multi-purpose storage bags to organize your home, I would recommend the Tomos Uni Clothes Storage Bags. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.